Can you hear that? They are super crispy. Hi guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is Shamsa. I do apologise. My voice isn't the normal me. I do sound very croaky for some strange reason, but I did ask my husband very nicely to do a voiceover, but he refused politely, stating that you guys did not like his voice, and I'm stuck with doing this, but I hope you enjoy the recipe nevertheless. Today we are going Turkish inspired, and I have a perfect recipe which is Turkish inspired chicken flats. Now, if you order from Turkish restaurants or you eat in, this is probably one of the most common things that are on the menu. They're really simple, have so much flavour, and the best thing is that as soon as you make these, they fly off the table, so your guests will be wanting more. Iman loved these, and I'm going to show you how to make them, so stick around and watch till the end. So let's start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is as follows. Please remember to check out the description box for all the ingredients, quantities, if you miss any or you can't seem to make out what I'm saying because of my voice today. I've got here chicken flats, and I've got 500 grams skin on, washed and ready. And I have here some red pepper paste. Now you can pick this up from any local Asian supermarket or any Turkish supermarket. And this is a common ingredient used in Turkish cooking. We've also got some Greek style yogurt. You want Greek style because you don't want lots of water in there. You want that marinade to stick to the flats. I've got oil, we have some spices here. I've got half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. I've got 2 large garlic cloves, which I minced. And I have here dried oregano. This is half a tablespoon. And I have 1 tablespoon of Aleppo pepper. This is a Turkish pepper, and it's called pul biber, and it's got a smoky flavour, and it's got a mild heat, but it's going to add a lovely colour and flavour, and it's the Greenfields brand that I use and I actually recommend, and that's all you need. So I've got a large bowl here, and I'm going to add 1 heaped tablespoon. When I say heaped, quite heaped. And the same of the pepper paste, the salt, the garlic, the oregano, and the Aleppo peppers. And then I'm going to go in with around a tablespoon of oil. So that should be good. And now we're just going to mix that really well. Just needs a little bit more oil. I don't think I added a full tablespoon there. But that is how it looks. I don't know if you can see there. And now we're just going to add the washed flats in there and just mix that through and make sure all those chicken pieces are coated in this lovely marinade. Oh, it smells really good. This was the first thing that actually went when we cooked this on the barbecue. Everyone loved them. So you can air fry them or you can cook them on the barbecue. That's entirely up to you. But today I'm showing you how to cook them in an air fryer. And just look at that beautiful colour just there. Right, once you've marinated this, pop some cling film over and just pop it into the fridge. Now, minimum 4 hours of marination, maximum overnight for even better flavour. And like any good chef, I have already marinated some, which I left in the fridge overnight. So we'll be working with these while I pop these in the fridge. Right, so the chicken flats that I've taken out of the fridge are at room temperature, and I'm going to be cooking them in the air fryer, like I said. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them skin side down to cook. So just arrange however many you can fit into your air fryer. I think I'll be able to fit all of them in. Just look at that. Absolutely wonderful. And that's the last one to go in. Right, so the chicken flats are ready. And I'm going to be cooking them at 200 degrees C for 11 minutes first of all. And then after 11 minutes, we're going to flip them over and I'll give you guys a closer look. So let's start the air fryer. 200. Oops. See you guys back in 11 minutes. The 11-minute timer is up and they smell amazing. So I'm going to show you how they look. Oh, look at them. Oh, they look good. Right, so just go in and gently turn them all over. So skin side up. Oh, they're all really good. These babies are going to crisp up really nicely. And then back in again, 200 degrees C for another 11 minutes. The second 11-minute timer is up and the flats are ready. Oh, they look incredible. Can you hear that? They are super crispy. I'm going to plate these up and give you guys a closer look. And now the taste test. Now, my husband would say that the perfect way to eat these is just to pop it all in your mouth whole, but I'm not going to do that. In fact, I don't really eat many wings, but for you guys, I'm going to try this. Bismillah. Oh my God. They are juicy, cooked to perfection, smoky flavour. You can taste the garlic. Everything is just perfect. Try the recipe out. Let me know in the comments below how you find it, and I'll be back with a new one very soon.
I think you're enjoying them a bit too much.
They are really good.
I don't get any left for the rest of us.